Imagine you're drowning in a sea of receipts, struggling to keep track of your expenses. It's a nightmare, right? That's where Expensify comes in, promising to simplify your expense management. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform that automates the process of capturing, categorizing, and reporting expenses. It's designed to save you time and money, and it's popular among businesses of all sizes. Key features. Mobile app. One of the standout features of Expensify is its mobile app. You can easily snap photos of receipts and upload them directly to the platform. The app also allows you to track mileage and create expense reports on the go. Automatic expense recognition. Expensify uses OCR technology to automatically extract data from receipts. This means you don't have to manually enter information, saving you time and reducing errors. Expense policies. Expensify allows you to create custom expense policies to ensure compliance with company guidelines. You can set limits on certain expenses and require approvals for specific categories. Integrations. Expensify integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making it easy to sync your expense data with your financial records. Perks program. Expensify offers a perks program that allows you to earn rewards for using the platform. You can redeem these rewards for gift cards, travel, and other perks. Benefits of Expensify. Save time. Expensify can significantly reduce the time it takes to manage your expenses. By automating tasks like receipt scanning and data entry, you can focus on more important work. Improve accuracy. Expensify's automatic expense recognition helps to ensure that your expense data is accurate. This can help to prevent errors and improve your financial reporting. Increase efficiency. By streamlining your expense management process, Expensify can help to improve your overall business efficiency. This can lead to cost savings and increased productivity. Enhance compliance. Expensify's expense policies can help you to ensure that your employees are complying with company guidelines. This can help to reduce the risk of fraud and other financial irregularities. Is Expensify worth it? The answer to this question depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a way to simplify your expense management process and save time and money, Expensify is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to note that Expensify does have a monthly subscription fee. If you have a small business or don't have a high volume of expenses, the cost may not be justified. Expensify is a powerful tool that can help you to streamline your expense management process. It's easy to use, accurate, and can help you to save time and money. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against the cost to determine if it's the right solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.